Namaskar ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. Good evening. So today we are going to study about names of places. That is, we have studied yesterday about place values and things related to it, right? Now let us understand the names of places. Okay, so these are demo classes given from Azurite. Now if you want to join the class, what you have to do, you have to call us on the given number. Okay, so the classes will start from 29th of May. So there will be regular classes, and to join that you have to take the admission. So here, names of places you already may be knowing, right? That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. These are what? Names of the places, right? That is, the name is given to it. That is, the particular name is given to it. Okay, so here the first name is what? Ones, or we also say it as units. What do we say? We say it as units. Then what are the units? That is ones. If you take 1 rupee coin, then you can make what? 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then till 9 you can make it. Now after 9 there will be 2 digits, right? That is 10 will come. In that there are 2 digits, so it is what? The different name will come. The next column we have to start there. So that, what is the next name? That is tens, right? The second digit is tens, and tens starts from, that is the 2 digits. The first number is 10 and the last digit is 99. It continues till 99. Next, what about the third place? It is hundreds place. So 100, then 101, 102, 103, like that till the highest place of that is the highest place of each place, right? That is the highest digit in each place. So it will be 9999, right? 999 means 999. After that, what we have to do? We reach the limit, that is the highest value of each place. Now we have to start a new column to get the higher number, right? So the fourth column, if you add, that is tens, that is 1000, then 1001, 1002, like that till 9999. Because here, can you see, all the place reached its maximum value, that is 9999, right? And then we have to start the next place, then that is 10,000s. After that, what it will be? Yes, like that it continues. So after 10,000, we know, we say it as what? Lakhs place. Okay, so lakhs will start here, right? So this is lakhs, and then after that lakh 1 and continues till 99 lakh 99,999. After that, what will come? 10 lakhs, right? So it is till 9 lakh. Okay, 9 lakh 99,900. So next place is of 10 lakhs, right? What? 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs, then 10 lakhs 1, it continues till 99 lakh 99,999. And after that, what will come? Yes, crore. What? Crore will come. Okay, so like that, crore, crore 1, crore 2, then till how much? 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. And after that 10 crore, right? You know already. So this is just a revision to make you understand the basics of it, right? So the names are given to the places. Okay, so what are the names? First is ones or units. So in ones or units, it will be 1 to 9, and then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So these are the names of the places. Okay, so can you repeat after me? Yes, can anyone repeat? What are the names of the places?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10
Okay,
lakh, crore, 10 crore.
yes, very good. Okay, so these are the names of the places. Understood? So now we know, after that is each place becomes 10 times bigger. We already have seen. So here it is 1. Then 10 is 10 times bigger than 1. So just what we have to do? We have to add 0 here, right? After 1. So it becomes 10. Understood? So here it is what? 10 times bigger, and then 10 times bigger, 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh, like that, right? So in 10 there will be 1 0, in 100 there are 2 zeros, then 1000 there are 3 zeros, and then in 10,000 there are 4 zeros, right? And in lakh there will be 5 zeros, in 10 lakh there will be 6 zeros, and in crore there will be 7, and in 10 crore there will be what? How many? 8 zeros, right? So this is how we have to remember. Okay, so let us go to next now. So this is what about names of places. Here we have to write the names of the places in the given number. So the number is 87655, right? So let us write the names of these places. So here let us take the number. Okay, this is what? Ones, and this is tens, then thousands, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Okay, so that is what we have to write. So it is ones or units. So 1 rupee, how many are there? 5 coins, right? That is 1 rupee coins are 5, and 10 rupee notes are 5 here, right? That is how we have to remember. Okay, so if you take 10 rupee notes 5 notes of 10 rupee, it will be how much? 50 rupees, right? That will be considered as place value. Okay, so it is 50 rupees. That is what we have to understand next. We will come to that. Okay, so here next is what? How much? Then hundreds. So hundreds, the third place is hundreds, and then it is thousands, and then it is what? 10,000s, and after that it will go on, right? Okay, so next let us understand about place value and face value. So we have understood about what? Place names. Now place value, I just now told there are how many notes of 5? Can you see? That is not 5, 10. So here in the second, this, so this is tens digit, right? Tens place. So tens notes are how many? There are 5 notes. So 5 notes means how many rupees it is? 50 rupees. So it is the place value here is 50. So that is what is place value. Okay, so let us understand about it. So place value and face value. Okay, so here is the given number, it is 45052. So let us write it down here. Okay, and then face value is what? The value of the digit itself, that is the face, how it looks. So that is the value. So 2 looks like 2, so it is the face value is 2. Okay, so face value means the digit itself. And what about the face value of 5? The digit itself, that is 5. And what about 4? The face value is 4 itself. But place value, where it is placed, next is place value. So place value, before understanding that, let us write the face value of the digits. So what are the digits? 45052. So here what is the face value of 4? It is 4 itself. And what about next? What is the next digit? 5. So what is the face value of 5? Can anyone tell? Yes, 5, right? And
Five.
next,
5.
what about 0? The face value of 0 will be
0.
0 itself, right? That is the digit itself. ಆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನೇ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರದು ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಮುಖಬೆಲೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಮುಖ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಹೌ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್? yes, so that is the face value. Okay, now what about 5? What is the face value of 5? Yes, the third, yes, 5 itself. And what about 2? The face value is 2. Okay,
2.
so this is what is about face value. Now let us understand about place value. Okay, so place value means positional value of a digit in the given number, right? We have already known place means where it is placed, positional value. It takes the positional value. So here this 2 is at ones place, that is units place, and this 5 is tens place, then next is thousands place, sorry, hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000. Okay, so here units place means ones, So how many ones means 1 rupee. Okay. So how many 1 rupee coins are there? 2. So there will be total how much then? It is 2 rupees. Right. Now here 10 notes are how many? 5 notes are there. So it will be how much? Yes, 50 rupees. Right. 10 notes are 5. So it will be 50 rupees. Now 100 notes are not there. So there are 0 means there are no 100 notes here. So it is 0. Next, can anyone tell? Yes. Here 1000 notes are 5. So it will be how much? Yes,
5,000.
5000, right? Okay, good. Next, there are 1000. 10,000s are how many? 4. So how much it will be?
40,000.
40,000, right? 4 10,000
40,000.
means 40,000. Okay, so that is the positional value. Place value, have you understood about it? Yes. Place value means positional value, where it is placed. So it is units, tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So here, if I ask you what is the place value of 5, what it will be as? It is at thousands place. So how many thousands are there? 5
5.
thousands. So what will be place value? 5,000. Understood?
5,000.
Okay. So it is at, now what about this 5? Yes. What is its place value? It is
10.
at tens place. So tens place means place value I am asking.
50.
Tens place.
10.
So 5 tens
50
means
rupees.
50 rupees. Okay. So 50 is the place value. Understood? Yes. Okay, good. So here let us write the place value now. So place value of the digits. So here 4 is there. So 4 is at 10,000s place. So 40,000. Okay. Next 5 is thousands place. 5,000. Next 0 is at what? Hundreds place. But there are no. 0 means we have known. That is nothing. So 100 is not there here. Okay. Hundreds is not there. So 0. So 0 100 means it will be 0. Okay. So if 0 comes, its place value and face value will be 0 itself. Understood? Now what about 5? Here it is at tens place. So the value should be 50, right? Place value should be 50, not 10. Okay. Now what about 2? 2 is at units place. Once. So there are 1 rupee coins are 2. So it will be 2 rupees total. Understood? So that is 2. The place value of it will be 2. Understood about place value and face value? Yes? Okay. So the face value means what? Yes, face value means the digit itself. And what about the place value? Yes, what is place value? Can anyone tell? Place value means positional value. Okay, okay. So
Positional
here,
value.
so
Positional value.
positional
Positional value.
value.
Face
Understood?
value.
That is what you have to remember. Okay. Next, let us go to the questions now. So here, write the place and face value of the digits. So what we have to write here? Place and face value. Here, the digit is given. The first question, 1 in 4, 5, 3, 1, 6. That is, I am not reading the number. Why I am not reading the number? Because we have not learned. You already know, but I am not reading. Okay. So you will learn that next. Okay. So here, this is the given number. So 1 in 4, 5, 3, 1, 6. So where is 1? Here, right? It is here. So this 1 is at which place? Yes, it is at tens place. So the place value will be what? And the face value will be what? We have to write it here. Face value, we already know. The value of 1 will be what? Yes? Okay, good. So everyone is saying 10 and 1, right? Okay, good. So face value is 1. The face value of 1 will be 1. Okay, understood? That is what is the digit itself. ಅದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರದು ಮುಖಬೆಲೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ what is the place value here? So where it is placed? It is tens place. So how many tens are there here? 1 10 means that is 10, right? So there is only one note of 10 rupees. So it is 10. So place value is how much? 10. Okay, either you can directly write as 10 or you can write it as 1 into 10. So it will be how much? 10. It will be simple, very easy. Okay, now what about second question? Can anyone tell? Yes, what is the face value of 7 in this number. So 7 means the face value will be 7 only. 7 only. Okay. Now what about place value? At which place is it? Yes. Units.
70.
Okay. 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 So directly what you can do is you can directly take this number and write it itself, because there are zeros already, right? So you can write like that only. Otherwise, how many places are there? Let us see. Units, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 7 into 10,000, right? So how many? 70,000. Okay, that is the place value of 7. Understood? That is how you have to write. Now what about third? 0 in 6092. So I have already told. So face value will be 0 itself.
0.
Now what about place value also? It is no. 1000 into 0 into how much? It is 100.
100, sir.
Now I have told you 0. The place value and face value will be 0 itself, right? So
Yes,
0
sir.
into 100, if you are getting confused, 0 into 100 will be how much? 0. Because 0 means what? Can anyone tell 0 means what? Is empty, nothing. There is nothing. Then if it is nothing, then what it will be there? Then 0 itself, nothing, right? So there are how many hundreds? No hundreds, right? No hundred means what? No hundred itself. So 0. Understood? That is what? 0 into anything is 0. You have known. Then what is the meaning of it? You have to understand. 0 means nothing. So if you multiply and nothing to anything, that is 0, nothing only, right? Right? What is the meaning of multiplication? Also we will understand. There you will clearly understand why 0 into anything is 0. Okay? Fine. Okay, good. So this is how you have to solve the questions. Now let us go for fourth question. So here 3 in what? 23, that is 23020. So let us write the face value now. What will be the face value of 3? Yes. Can you write it as a homework now? You write it as a homework. Okay. So 3 in this number. Now what about the place value? You have to write also. Okay. Place value also. Understood? So you can write it here. Okay. So it is at which place? Units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So how many thousands? Yes, 3000. So 3000 will be the place value. Understood? That is what we have to write it. Okay, good. So let us go to the next now. Here expanded form. So have you studied the expanded form in school? Yes. What is expanded form?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So let us understand more about it then. Okay, expanded form. Right? So here is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So expanded form, how to write it? We just have to take the digit and multiply it with its place value. Okay, that is the place positional value. That is the thousand, hundred, and all. Okay, let us write that. So take the digit and write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we know here it is 5 means units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So expanded form means what? It is the method of writing a number as sum of place value of its digit. So what is it? Just combining the place value, right? That is sum of place values of its digit is what expanded form. If you add that expanded form, what you will get? You will get the number itself. Okay, so let us write it. So these are the places. Okay, so expanded form shows the number of each places. Okay, so let us write now. So here what is the number? 1. 1 into how much? Here if you want to write, I will write it from this side. Okay, so 5 into ones. So how many ones are there? That is how many 1 rupee coins? 5, right? 5 into 1. Now tens. How many tens are there? 4 tens. So 4 into 10. Next, how many hundreds are there? 3 into 100. That is 300. Now how many thousands are there? That is 2000. So 2 into 1000. Next, how many 10,000s are there? 1, right? So 1 into 10,000. This is what is the expanded form. Just what we have to write? We have to write a plus symbol right in between. So if you add that, you will get what? 1 2 3 4 5. That the number you will get. Okay. So this is what is expanded form. Just write the place value. That is the place you have to multiply with the digit. Okay. So can everyone write it? Yes. Okay. Now let us see the example now. Okay. So write the expanded form of the numbers. So how to write the expanded form of first question 4531. So what will be the expanded form? Yes.
Sir,
Here
Sir,
units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So how many thousands are there? Four,
4,000.
four thousands. Okay.
4,000.
Next, what we have to write? Plus.
500.
Next, how many hundreds are there? 5
500.
into 100. Okay.
into
Next, how many tens are there?
10.
3 into 10.
3
Next, how many ones are there?
1
Plus
into 1.
1 into
1
1,
into
or
1.
we can write it as 1 into 1. So this is what is the expanded form. Got it? Okay, good. Next,
Sir.
let us write for third question now. Okay. So what will be the expanded form here?
Sir,
Yes.
10. 1 10,000. 1 by 10,000.
Is it 10,000 place?
1 by 10,000.
Units, tens, hundreds, then thousands and 10,000. Okay, good. So 1 into how much? 10,000.
10,000.
Or if you want to make it easy, you can write it like this. 1 and then what? Here if you write the number 10201. Okay. So just take the digit and write the number of places. So 10, 0 and 1. So this will be 10,000. Next digit is 0. 0 into means
0
into how much?
0 into 1000.
1000.
anything is 0, so you can just
Yes,
write
so
0.
it will be 0 itself. Okay, fine, fine. We will come to that. We'll come to that. Just we are writing here. Now what about next? It is 2. 2 into how much? 100. Okay. Next is 0 into, it will be 0 itself. So I am not writing here 0. Next 1 into how much?
1.
1. So 0 into, if I write, it will be how much? 10. So this is how you can remember it. And it will be very simple, right? You just write the number above it and then take the digit, and how many places are there? You just place the 1 and after that zeros. Okay? 1 and after that zeros. Okay? So 1 and after that zeros. How many zeros? 1 and after that 0. 1 and after that 0. That is 10,000. 1 into 10,000, then 0 into 1000, then 2 into 100, and 0 into 10, and then 1 into 1. So this is what is the expanded form. Just what you have to do, you have to place the plus symbol in front of it. Now if you write it, you will get the expanded form. Got it? Now let us do, you do it the second question as homework. Okay, I will solve the fourth question. So how to do the fourth question now? So what will be the expanded form? Yes. So here,
10,000.
yes. So here, how much? Like, write it. 6 into, now 10000. So it is how much? 10,000. 6 into 10,000. Next, plus.
0 into
Here it is 0.
1000, so
So
we can
0
just
into
write 0.
anything will be 0. So I am writing
We
directly
can just write
0. Okay. Next, plus. Now
1
1
into
into
100.
100. Next, plus 2 into how
2
much?
into
2
10.
into
2 into 10.
10. So it is at tens place. So how many tens are there? 2 is at tens place. So how many tens? 2 tens. So 2 into 10. Plus, how many ones are there? There is no ones.
Sir,
Okay?
0.
0.
So
So
we can
directly I
just
will
write
write 0. Understood? So can everyone write like this?
0.
Yes? Can everyone write the expanded form?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is very simple, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
The
So
writing.
this is how you have to write the expanded form. So you solve the second question as a homework. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So understood about the expanded form. What we have to do? How many places are there? We have to multiply with that. Yes, here 6. That is 10,000s are how many? 6. Now if you take the 2, it is tens place. So how many tens are there? 2 tens. So 2 into 10. So that is what we have to write. Okay, so can everyone write like that? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, good.
Yes,
So let us go to the next example now.
sir.
So,
Sir, 1 second. Sir, can you go to
okay, write it down, beta. Okay, write it down. Okay, good. So, finished writing? Yes?
Yes, sir. No, yes, sir. No, sir. Sir,
Okay.
1 second. No, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
okay, okay, okay.
Sir, second sum only writing, na?
Well, sir.
No, you have to write all. The second
Ah,
sum is the homework, okay?
sir, wait, sir, I will write.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. Take your time. So, after that, we will go. Okay, so you write it down afterwards. Fine. So, what did we study? We studied two things today, right? Place value and what? The expanded form. Okay, so place value means what? The positional value. Okay, so if you see here, place value we studied, right? Okay, and the place names. So what are the place names? These are units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, and after that 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. Okay, and 10 crore. Now in here we wrote the what? Place names. Okay, and after that the place value means the positional value. And what about face value? Face value means the digit itself. Okay, here the face value of 4 is what? 4 itself, and 5 is 5 itself. And place value, if you check, 4 is at tens, 10,000. So how many 10,000s? 4 10,000. So it is 40,000. And next is 5, that is it is at what? Thousands place. So 5,000. So how many thousand? 5,000. So 5,000. That is the what? Place value. Okay. So here we solve some of the examples, and after that the expanded form is written by multiplying the how many places, that is the 10,000, 100 or how many. So we just have to add the plus symbol in between, right? So here if you take one, so there are how many 10,000s? 10,000. Here two thousands are there, here 300s are there, here 4 10s are there, here 5 1s are there. Okay, so that is 1 rupee coins are 5. But if you consider whole number, not only the place, whole number, that will be different scenario. So we will study that tomorrow. Okay, so that is what we have to understand from this. Okay, so understood everyone? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Okay, sir.
everyone practice from Azurite app and write down the notes there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So thank you for watching, and if you want to join, call us on the given number and do register. We are starting the new batches from 29th May, that is Monday. Okay, so join us and start your preparation for Navodaya and Sainik.